Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this smoky glitter glam look using the Icy Nude Palette from Huda Beauty's latest collection. So let's get into today's video. To get our makeup to last long, we're going to use the Milani eyeshadow primer and tap it all over the lids. With the Huda Beauty Icy Nude Palette and the shade Lavish and with the Nikia Joy Cosmetics EO2 brush, let's apply that to the outer V of the eye. You want to build it up to a medium shade so that it's visible on your skin tone. Apply that to the lower lash line too. And now with the shade Faux Fur and with the Nikia Joy Cosmetics Precision Shader Brush, let's create a stencil for the wing liner. So apply that close to the lash line and extend the wing out. This will make creating the wing liner a bit more easier later on. Also, this step will give you the smoky look. Keep building up the color as much as you like. Now with the shade IDGAF and with the Morphe Arial A20 brush, let's tap that on the lid. Initially start in the middle of the lid and then you can slowly progress to blending and apply some to the inner corner too. Back in with the shade Faux Fur, let's add on the smokiness once again. We are building it up slowly. Apply some to the lower lash line and stop it midway. With the shade Platinum, we're going to use our finger to apply it and just with short tapping motions, apply that from the inner corner to the mid of the lid. With the Inglot AMC liner and with a beautiful short wing liner brush, let's create the wing. Bring that towards the inner corner too. Back in with Faux Fur, let's buff that out and make it smokier. You want to apply this just above the wing liner. This is a very important step, so take your time. And with any brush, let's blend out all the colors together. That's how your eye should look. With the creamy kohl liner from Huda Beauty, let's only tightline the upper lash line. Curl your lashes with the lash curler. Apply your favorite volumizing mascara and this is how your eyes should look. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can use this for Diwali. And if you really like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.